Shiba Uru Machine is proud to announce the new SX3 series. The all-electric SX3 has a brand new V70 controller that provides a larger interface, allowing better visibility of the molding process. A new customizable clamp sequence page shows you a visual representation of your clamp cycle. Simply drag and drop steps like clamp open and close, air blow, core pull, ejector actuation, and more. Being able to see visually how the clamp-related functions interact reduces operator error and improves your bottom line. Available integration with auxiliary equipment and standards-based communication allow you to reach your vision of Industry 4.0. Shiba Uru Machine incorporates linear guides throughout the machine. On the clamp side, the elimination of the tie bar bushings allows the two-piece platens to open and close with less drag and in a cleaner environment. On the injection side, linear guides support the entire weight of the injection unit. This allows the injection unit to move freely, allowing the injection speed and back pressure to be controlled with greater precision and accuracy than any traditionally mounted unit. The ball screw on a Shiba Uru machine is specifically designed for injection molding. Unlike generic ball screws, this design spreads the load across more than twice the surface area, reducing the stress and giving you increased life expectancy. The frame helps reduce footprint and, on the clamp end, opens space for peripheral equipment. The use of a strain gauge on the tie bar allows the tonnage to be set accurately and automatically adjust on the fly during the cycle. With a load cell behind the screw, the melt pressure can be measured so accurately that scientific molding can be achieved using the features of the V70 controller without the need of in-mold transducers. The V70 controller also enables simultaneous motion, allowing the SX3 to reduce cycle times by up to 30%. With a team of technicians throughout the Americas, more than 40 years of history across the US, and 55 years around the globe, you can count on Shiba Uru Machine. Talk to a Shiba Uru Machine representative to discover how the SX3 will improve your production.